Best deals. In this video, let's review some of the trending kitchen mixer grinder appliances, which are shatterproof containers designed for durability and versatility, featuring storage and sipping lids for added convenience, also built-in ventilation to prevent overheating and ensure the motor runs smoothly for extended periods. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Mixer grinder. Powerful 1200W motor made of 100% copper, guarantees high-performance grinding and blending, easily tackling tough ingredients. The precision laser-cut stainless steel blades ensure efficient operation, making the BlendLab Pro 2.0 suitable as a blender for kitchen. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Mixer grinder. Powerful 750W2C series motor with 100% copper windings, designed to deliver a high torque for high-performance grinding. Uniquely designed blunt pounding blade with thick edges which replicates pounding effect on dry ingredients, thus giving authentic texture and taste. Enhanced aeration and high-performance grinding with innovative active flow breaker, guarantees finer, fluffier batters. Completely hands-free operation with unique lathe locks and strong suction feet for added stability. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Stand mixer. 1000W motor with 100% copper winding which multifunctional feature to cater to your all-kitchen need. 8-speed level with stylish LED indicator with pulse function makes your stand mixer a robust companion for all beating, whisking and doughing needs of your kitchen. The product comes splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. The stand mixer comes with overheating protection along with safety lock to avoid working hazards. Mix hands-free with excellent results every time. Planetary mixing rotates the beaters around the 4-quart stainless steel bowl for even and complete mixing. Effortlessly mix thick batters and doughs like breads, pizza, cookies, mashed potatoes and more with a powerful 1000-watt motor. Includes splash guard, dough hook, whisk and flat beater. Wipe outside of stand mixer with a damp cloth or sponge and dry. It also comes with a splash guard with spout. Makes your cooking family friendly without anybody getting messy. The tilt head stand mixer not only provides easy access to the bowl and the connected mixer, but also makes it easy to install and remove the stainless steel bowl and 3 accessories. With 6 speed stalls, you can control each speed to the most precise level, ensure stellar mixing effortlessly and thoroughly for a variety of food, ranging from pasta to ice cream, egg whites to bread dough. Save electricity. 5-liter food-grade stainless steel mixing bowl can hold up to 9 cups of flour. Mixing bowl is dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. The cooking mixer has mechanical metal gears for power transmission. In addition, the engine is equipped with a temperature device to extend its lifespan, built to take it all on with the durable and built-to-last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. This feature-packed stand mixer is all you need in your kitchen. It can be used as stand mixer for baking, cake mixer and flour kneading machine, built to take it all on with the durable and built-to-last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Multifunctional mixer grinder. Capacity of jars: wet grinding jar 1.5 L, dry grinding jar 1 L, transparent juicer jar 1.5 L and chutney jar 450 ml. Grind stuff ingredients with ease. Heavy-duty 1000 watts motor with ball bearing. The mixer grinder is equipped with a powerful 1000 watts motor that grinds anything and everything with absolute ease. Sturdy stainless steel finish body designed to perfection with superior quality stainless steel and a sparkling mirror finish. Juicer extractor jar with sieve. Superior quality transparent juicer jar for all your special juicing needs. Pusher ensures maximum extraction of juice from fruits and vegetables. Stainless steel sieve efficiently separates pulp from juice, creating a effortless juicing experience. Inclined juice outlet, aids in instantly collecting juice in one go. 7. Super efficient blades. Super efficient blades are made of superior quality stainless steel for better grinding. Citrus juicing attachment from lemons to oranges and grapefruits. This attachment accommodates a variety of citrus fruits, making juicing a breeze. Atta kneading blade. This is designed to transform the laborious task of kneading into a breeze. Whether you're working with dough for rotis or other ingredients, this attachment ensures thorough kneading with minimal effort. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Portable blender. Despite its small size, this blender boasts a powerful 150W motor that effortlessly crushes ice, fruits, and vegetables, delivering smooth and delicious beverages in seconds. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Juicer. Featuring a powerful and highly effective juicer by Bajaj that comes with 800 watts motor. It is capable of converting any fruit or vegetable into a perfect juice. Offering two variations in the speed of the juicer to suit your needs, requirements, and types of fruits and vegetables. Easily removable strainer or cutter and washable that make its cleaning easy and hygienic to use next time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cold press slow juicer. Slow squeeze juicing technology enables maximum juice extraction and ensures maximum nutrient preservation. Large 80 mm mouth for juicing whole fruits and vegetables. Overheat protector on powerful motor with safety lock device. Suitable for hard and soft fruits and vegetables. Overload protector with buzzer alarm. Slow squeeze juicing technology enables maximum juice extraction and ensures maximum nutrient preservation. Large 8 mm mouth for juicing whole fruits and vegetables. Spinning brush thoroughly mixes nutrients from different fruits and vegetables, thereby enriching flavor and aroma of juice. With on and reverse function for pulp clearance. 6 ml pulp and juicer cup container. Low noise motor. Overheat protector on powerful motor with safety lock device. Non-slip feet. Yes. Overload protector with buzzer alarm. Suitable for hard and soft fruits and vegetables. Easy assembly for ease of cleaning. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Slow juicer cold press juicer. With 2 speeds can perfectly juice fruits and vegetables like orange, celery, cucumber, apple, carrot, beets, ginger and more. Machine has a 7-segment spiral masticating system that can fully squeeze the fruits and vegetables and can perfectly separate the juice from the pulp. Slow masticating juicer uses a low-speed motor and fine grinding to reduce oxidation and best retain the nutritional value of your fruits, veggies, and greens. Features 2 speeds to juice various fruits and veggies and a reverse function to reduce clogging and food residues in the machine. Slow juicer machine can be easily disassembled with its one-touch assembly design. Dishwasher safe parts. With slow extraction technology, it can preserve maximum nutrients of the fruit and vegetables and extract higher juice yield. The cold press juicer also features an upgraded 7-stage auger that ensures full extraction of the fruits and vegetables. The juicer can perfectly separate the pulp and the juice. Cold press juicer is easy to be assembled and disassembled in seconds with its one-button disassembly design. Masticating juicer has reverse function to avoid stuck and reduce clogging. The juicer is also equipped with a cleaning brush so that you can clean juicer easily. Compact juicer design does not occupy much kitchen space and makes the juicer easier to move and use. Product link is given in the 8th link.